Let's now move to Shipyard Ship Repair Facility of the Year, sponsored by Department of Seaport and Customs Sharjah. And the finalists are Drydocks World Dubai, Inter-Ocean Ship Repair, Nakilat Kipal Offshore and Marine, Oman Drydock Company, Asiad Drydocks. And to present the award, let's all please welcome onto the stage Mr. Yaqub Abdullah, Director Marketing and Promotions of the Department of Seaports and Customs Sharjah.
Good evening, Drydock World Dubai.
Stepping up to receive the awards on behalf of Drydocks World is the CEO, Captain Radu Antolovic. Congratulations and well deserved.